What's up guys? In this video, let's check out the water test of Samsung's latest budget mid-ranger, the Galaxy A50. The Samsung Galaxy A50 is not water resistant, so how will it handle water accidents like rain or such? As usual, let's start by testing out the layer of oleophobic coating on this Corning glass production of the Galaxy A50. This oleophobic layer is common on most phones, apart from some Oppo and Vivo devices and every Realme device tested on the channel. It helps in reducing fingerprint smudges and aids the water to roll off the screen in the form of droplets rather than sticking to the glass surface. The most common effect of water on phones with no water resistance is low and distorted audio from the external speakers, which can last from a few seconds to several hours and can permanently damage the sound or the display unit. Besides that, there can be instances of screen flickering issues, the screen going blank for several hours, or the display getting damaged due to water seepage issues in the Asus Zenfone 5Z. Low and distorted audio lasting for more than a few minutes is also usually a bad sign that other internal damage may be taking place and the device should be immediately kept to dry out. So will the Samsung Galaxy A50 be able to reach the heavy drenching round and survive all the water abuse? The Samsung Galaxy A50 actually does a good job of resisting heavy splashes, but to a certain extent. Though there was a small issue of screen flickering, which eventually got solved by drying out the device.